proves that they didn't poison. Here it comes. Here comes my cup. There's my cup. It's mine. La 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 la. There it is! Like magic! Yay! Oh, what's she gonna pick? Whoa. Yeah! I got that drink. Thank you. Are you sure what to think?
Yeah, I don't know. This is it. Kind of has like a.
But what is it? What's that?
This is corn pudding.
Corn porridge.
Corn porridge. Oh.
That may be a difference.
Yeah.
I figure out how
It kind of
to.
tastes like I'm drinking the bowl of like corn that you heat up in the microwave, like after you dump it into the, but like all the water is still in.
I see. Oh, maybe we're supposed to shake it. Maybe I should have done that before opening mine.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's see.
I feel like.
So, torori corn. Okay. So I guess I'll try it. See my reaction to it. Well, I love it because I love corn. It tastes like cream corn. That's it. That's it. That's our adventure for today. Corn pudding. Corn porridge. Sorry.